Okay, so I'm going to write this one up, and it's going to be up to you to work it out. This little quiz here, and then you can pause the video, and then I'll work it out and see if you got the same answer I get. All right, so like the last problem, I don't know why I'm stuck on 6 there, but we have 6x squared plus 2x minus 4. So you'll want to pause the video and try working this one out. 3x squared plus 7x minus 6 is in the denominator here. Alright, so what we want to do is factor the numerator, factor the denominator, and then cancel out terms. So go down, pause the video, try working this out, and see if you get the same thing I do. Alright, so this is how I'm going to do this. A lot of times it's a trial and error thing when it goes to factoring these things out up here. I'm going to start with a 2x and a 3x. So 2x times 3x is 6x squared. Now two numbers that multiply together gives us negative 4. Alright, and we're going to add two numbers and we get positive 2 here. I'm going to use a plus 2 and a negative 2. Okay. Okay. So we have, now if you multiply all this out, we should get what's in the numerator up here. 2x times 3x is 6x squared. 2x times negative 2 is negative 4x. Let me just do a little side work over here so we don't get lost track. Negative 4x, and then 2 times 3x is 6x. And of course that's going to add to 2x, and that's what we get right here. And then 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Okay, good. Well, considering we're going to be canceling terms out, right, it should be a clue up here in the numerator that probably what we put in the denominator, one of these guys is going to be in the denominator here, so that helps out. Now I'll tell you what really helps out is when this number right here, the only factors is 1 and 3. 1 times 3 is 3. So I'm going to go ahead and use a 3x. So there's not any other combinations, and that's nice. Whereas up here we had a 1 and a 6 and a 2 and a 3, right? That gives us 6. Alright, and then this number here, of course, it could either be a 1 here and a 6 here, or it could be a 2 and a 3, or you could put a 3 and a 2, or a 6 and a 1. Okay, so, but because we have a 2 up here, chances are it's going to probably be a 2 and a 3. Alright, so that's kind of a hint there. So 3x times 3 is 9x. Remember, we need to get a 7 here, and then a 2x. 2 times x is 2x. A 9x and a 2x. So this is probably going to end up being because this is a plus sign, this is going to be plus, and of course that'll be minus because that's what this term is up here, right? Well, now we can cancel some stuff out. Actually, let's check this real quick. So 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times 3 is 9x. I'll just write that over here. And then negative 2x. Right, and 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay, and then negative 2 times 3 is negative 6, and that's what we have right here. Alright, good. So we'll cancel out the 3x minus 2 and write what we have left over, which is going to end up being a 2x plus 2 over an x plus 3. Alright, so all that up there reduced down to this right here. Great. Alright, well let's work some more. Oh, and by the way, I hope that's the answer you got.